my channel. In today's video, I am here with a makeup tutorial on this look right here. Pixi sent me a big PR package of a bunch of their products and collaborations with other YouTubers, so I decided to go ahead and use all of them in this video. I have literally a bunch in here, and I used every single thing in here that they sent me to create this look right here. So I hope you guys really enjoy it. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. And if you guys want to see this look right here, let's go ahead and get started. The first I'm going right into is the Pixi Times Welly eyeshadow palette. This is in Let's Talk Eyes, and I'm taking the shade Sista. It's a nice light brown shade with a big fluffy brush. I'm popping that directly into my crease from inner to outer corner to start off our look. The next shade I'm taking is called Potato. It's an even darker orangey brown shade, and with a smaller brush, I'm popping this below that first shade that we use directly into that crease from inner to outer corner. I am loving these shades. They blend so seamlessly and so effortlessly, and the colors are stunning. I highly recommend this one. Going back in with my big fluffy brush with no additional color, I'm taking that and blending any of the harsh edges. The next shade I'm taking is called Bomb. It's a brick orangey red shade, and with a small brush, I'm popping this right on my outer corner and directly into that crease. Going right into the Chloe Times Pixi Romantic Radiance palette, I'm going ahead and taking the shade Tux. It's one of the liner shades, and I'm popping that right on the outer corner and into the crease. Going right in with any concealer, I'm taking that and cleaning up the look and making a half cut crease. So I'm going right in from that inner corner area, and it's taking it all the way to the outer corner, but stopping when I get to that black shade and blending them two shades together. Now with the shade Itty Bitty from that palette, once again, I'm popping that all over my lid wherever I put that concealer, and then taking that black shade and making sure to blend them two shades together. Now going in and smoking out the bottom lash line using all the shades we used on the top of our lid. Taking the Pixi Times Layla Black Liner Duo, I'm taking the kohl liner set and popping that right on the outer corner of my lash line. Now going in with the felt tip set, I'm taking that and creating a small line to blend in with my falsies. For lashes, I popped on the Ardell 250s, and that is it for the eyes. Going back in with that Chloe Times Pixi palette, I'm taking the blush called Promise and popping it on the apples of my cheeks. Now going in with the Dulce Candy Times Pixi palette, I'm taking the shade Brilliant to highlight, and oh my gosh, this is so buttery, so stunning. It blends so nicely into the skin. I highly recommend this. Now taking the Dulce Candy Times Pixi lip palette, I'm taking this really nice neutral shade, and these are so creamy. I am loving these right now. They're really hydrating on the lips. They're not dry at all. Really love these. And lastly, taking the Chloe Times Pixi lip icing in the shade Cake. I am loving this. The color is so gorgeous, and that is it for this makeup tutorial. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.